And welcome back. Football is where we begin. The JFF is now on the hunt for a new General Secretary with the imminent resignation of Chung, who is heading to the Financial Investigations Division. Chung is set to leave office at the end of May.
When news circulated that Chung was on his way out of the JFF, no member of the Federation's hierarchy could confirm, even as a highly placed source was confident that that was the case. Now, a month later, the JFF on Wednesday confirmed via a press release that Chung's final day is Saturday, May 31. Chung will take up office at the Financial Investigations Division, FID, where he will assume the position of Chief Technical Director after being appointed by the Office of the Services Commission. He is set to start working on June 2. Chung was appointed at the JFF in November 2022, and his contract was set to expire at the end of November this year.
I had indicated that I would not have gone beyond my contract, which really ends in November. And I think that we've done what we set out to do at JFF from a financial point of view. And, you know, by Friday, we'll have some more good news about what the equity position is. So JFF is in a much, much better position right now.
Chung says his biggest accomplishment in his 2.5 years at the JFF is removing the financial challenges the Federation faced when he got into office.
For the first time in over 20 years, getting an audit opinion on the audited report. Also getting a positive equity for the JFF the first time in over 20 years, also a tax compliance certificate, improved processes and controls internally and policies, and also the fact that we're now earning money from streaming sources by streaming content, JFF content, and definitely new sponsorship, more vibrant sponsorship, getting someone like Tanya Lee on as ambassador for sponsorship. You know, those I think would be significant accomplishments we've achieved.
Chung came to office after a turbulent time between the Reggae Boys and then General Secretary Dalton Wint. It was Chung, as the then chairman of the JFF's Finance Committee, who overlooked Wint's contract and was a member of the team that sorted out his eventual severance package. Reggae Boys manager Roy Simpson will act in the position until a permanent General Secretary is appointed. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.